Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Jyoti Singh, class 10th. As we have seen that the transportation in human beings is very important, and this is done by a very important two components and two carriers. They are blood and the lymph. We have already discussed about the blood, and in this part we are going to talk about lymph, which is a second carrier of transportation in human beings. So let's learn about the lymph.
Lymph is the another type of connective tissue. We have learned about the blood. This is the second type of connective tissue. As blood flows in the capillaries, plasma and the WBCs leak out through their walls. This fluid is called tissue fluid. Most of the tissue fluid enters into minute channels called lymph vessels, hence the fluid is called lymph. In the lymphatic system, here you can see whole structure of the lymphatic system. Lymphatic vessels are connected to lymph nodes where the lymph is filtered. Lymph supplies nutrients and oxygen where blood cannot reach lymph vessels. Lacteals absorb fat in the intestine. Lymph also contributes to defending the body from infections. Tonsils, adenoids, spleen, thymus are important parts of the lymphatic system. The spleen is a large lymphatic organ. Here you can see in the picture liver, spleen, tonsils and the thymus. So children, let's do a revision. Blood is composed of blood cells and plasma. There are three types of blood cells: red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. RBC helps in the transport of oxygen, WBCs fight against infections and platelets help in clotting. This is very important point children. This you can write in your note copy also, and question has come in this manner: properties or the main function of platelets, WBCs and RBCs. So then you will write RBCs helps in the transport of oxygen, WBCs fight against infections and platelets help in blood clotting. The lymphatic system helps to protect the body, supplies nutrition and oxygen where blood cannot reach. So children, this was our session. We are going to stop our today's class here, but at the end you will get one question, one assignment question, which you have to write your answer in the comment box by writing your name. This will be counted as your lecture attendance and will maintain your class record.